Sorry, G.
So, anong gagawin natin?
It's okay. Just go on.
I use cream foundation sparingly. Bobbi Brown. Shade. Ulitin ko lahat.
Yeah. I'm so sorry.
Shade espresso. This one. I try to use a darker shade kesa yung sa shade ko talaga kasi ang maputla masyado if I don't do that. Tapos I use this shade for contouring. This is Warm Almond. Teviant Amore Pallette for the eyes. 3CE multipot in HollyHock for the cream shadow. And I used it na rin as my eyeshadow base. So, let's blend na lang muna. Hindi kasi na-record. So, eto na lang. Wala tayong magawa. Brow mascara from Maybelline. Kasi gusto ko pa rin parang may nakikita akong mga buhok-buhok. I got this NARS longwear eyeliner, but it's in color parang gray, silver gray. Lalagay ko dito. So what? Wow! Hanep.
Oh,
Oh my God.
you can see it.
Kita mo?
Yeah.
Teviant black liner, and I will waterline the upper lashes. So, nilalagyan ko ulit ng liner yung liner ko, kahit na nakatattoo na siya. Parang mas rich. And then, I have also this Teviant, yung parang glitter, maganda naman siya. Ayan naglagay ako sa ilalim ng aking mga mata. Gagamit ako ng napakamahal kong curlash. NARS. Nandun na ako sa Rustans. Sabi ko, ano yung pinakamurang curlash ninyo? Eto, NARS, patay. And then,
my favorite curlash is Shuemura.
I have that. That's the one that I've been using for my clients. Pero yung sa personal ko, binibili ko lang usually yung mumuso. Kaso nawawala palagi yung curlash ko. Siguro nahihiwang ko kung saan-saan. I'm using again Teviant Dual Mascara. The small one I use for my lower lashes. So, lower lash muna ako.
It's always the same.
And then I'm going to use this thick one, yung thick brush sa upper. I don't know if this has yung fiber. So ako, from the roots talaga, gusto ko nakatirik yung mga pilik mata ko. Another lash na maganda, yung Lash Paradise ng L'Oreal.
Oh, that doesn't work for me.
Really?
Oh,
Why, what happens?
Binigay ko yan kay Nicole kasi nagka-clump.
You try this one.
What's that?
Ano siya? Para susuklayan mo yung yung lashes mo while doing mascara.
Yung formula niya parang doesn't go well with my hair strands.
It's because masyado siyang makapal.
Yung wand.
Oo. Sana nipisan nila. Ito kasi yung Lash Paradise. If I don't want to put fake lashes, ito ginagamit ko. And then, sinusuklayan ko na lang siya ulit para hindi siya mag-clump. Kasi meron ako ditong parang mga extra, natanggal. Extra wands. Ito
Yeah.
that I use. So, I'm going to use it para isa-swipe ko yung mga clumps.
Single use ba yung mga yan?
Oo, single use siya. I use it kasi dahil bawal makontaminate yung products ko.
Yeah.
From client to client. So, I just use a Q-tip pagka merong mga chismis. Meron din akong ganito. Alam mo to, yung parang fork, parang ginaganon.
Yung easy to put on, yeah.
Oo.
Fake.
Subukan ko nga sa sarili ko. Oh! Wow!
Of not using
And then,
for a long time, makeup gets depotted.
ginagawa ko, choink, para lahat na. No more choice. And ang gusto ko sa Makeup Forever din pala, it's very, very, very pigmented. I love it. And now I'm using the contour and highlight palette of my choice from Makeup Forever. Parang nag-contour lang ulit ako gaya kanina. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang ulitin.
I just realized, hindi na tayo nakapag-beach. Bumili ako ng swimsuit
Anong beach?
preparation for this summer. So, ang dami naming binili ni Nicole. But no, summer was canceled.
Kaya nga, di ba? Parang the summer was skipped.
Yeah.
And then, puro highlight na ako. And then, gusto kong mag-line ng lips. I'm going to use this MAC lip liner in Subculture. So ako, ang ginagawa ko, yung mga lip pencils ko or mga liners ko, every after client, tinatasahan ko siya. Tapos, ini-sprayan ko ng 99% alcohol. Captive ng MAC.
Ito yung mga seryosong part na, tahimik na tayo.
Oo eh. And of course, the butter bronzer. Alam mo, gusto ko yung amoy nito. Para ang sarap-sarap. Gusto kong kainin.
You have the same observation as maybe 90% of the makeup population.
You know. Are you done na ba?
No. Ayun,
You're done na?
found my powder. Magpa-powder lang.
Okay. Gusto ko mag-lashes kasi lolong. Para maganda.
25%.
This is half of the half. Yeah, 25%. When I put it, I have to wait until it's tacky. Mas mahirap ikabit yung isang buo. And then, the closest to your actual lashes. Ilalagay mo. Ikaw, saan ka nahirapan nung una ka nag-makeup?
I never got around the contouring for a long time. Hindi ko siya talaga magustuhan. And then now, that's what I miss the most.
Kasi, bakit mo siya namimiss?
Kasi malapad ang face.
Yes, me also.
So I think before, it was for the lack of good products, yung blendable. I think that's it.
Yeah.
And so, my skin pigment was yellowish. So halos, diba halos lahat nagiging ash looking sa akin. So I didn't, pero ngayon, the colors are, yung variety niya, madami na eh. Ikaw, what was the struggle for you before?
Sa akin, foundation. Kasi may mga ibang clients na sabihin nilang, acidic ako, ganito ako. Pero dun sa actual na, hindi pala. Alam mo yun? Kailangan hindi na ako naniniwala ngayon pag sinabi ng client ko na acidic sila or ganito sila. Hindi na. I will do the testing myself.
So
Kasi ang hirap eh.
How do you do it with such a short time?
Titignan mong maigi. Yung ano, kung marami siyang pores, most likely, she's oily skin. But, ang mahirap, ito ngayon, ano dun eh, if she's oily, if she's oily skin and then ma-wrinkly pa siya, so syempre, hindi mo pwedeng gawing matte all the way yon kasi may wrinkles siya, di ba? So, kailangan, there are just certain parts of her face that you will put this and you will put that. Ikaw ang mag-a-adjust.
Oh, okay. That's a nice tip.
It's big hair. Yeah, this is what I call my Hagrid hair.
I like it, ha?
Talaga?
No, because it's like, Farrah Fawcett.
Really? Hello,
You have to learn to love
Cute
it.
naman ang clip mo.
Yeah, it's gold.
I wanna put a clip too, kaya lang, wala akong clip. Siguro dahil malapad ang noo ko, kapag kinlip ko pa to, edi lalong ayan, pag finlat ko pa tong ganyan, lalong na-emphasize yung aking noo.
Oh, what I do, I fake it like this. Kasi mahaba pa din noo ko.
Ginaganon mo.
Fake it.
Oo.
Fake
Kaya
it.
lang, I can do that. Pag wala, hindi ko kasama si Jacob. Pag kasama ko si Jacob, good luck, hahatakin niya. Sabi niya, Mommy, what's that? Sabay hahatakin niya yan. Diyos ko.
Yeah.
So, ayan. So, meron ba tayong parang gaganon-ganon tayo? Mahilig ako sa ganyan. Mag-inarte, mag-isa.
Oh my God, I miss my face!
O, diba?
Oh my
Well,
God!
actually, I don't really put makeup when I go out. So, this is a new face every time.
I miss my face. This is how I look when I go to work. I think also for you, ang skin ko ay naging better when I got older.
Mm-mm.
Right?
That's a good topic for your next vlog. Let's talk about skincare.
Oh yeah, true! I'm gonna cut this so it won't be 100 years long. Thanks a lot, Jean. See you again soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.